All right, so it's freezing cold in Chicago right now. It's, I think it's 14 degrees below zero right now. And this morning it was 27 degrees below zero. And it's the coldest it's ever been in Chicago, ever. And so I want to try and, I don't know, have some fun. So what I'm going to do is I got water boiling here. And then I've got just some regular water in a cup. I got a balloon, just a regular balloon, and then I have a water balloon, and I put some red food dye in it, inside the balloon, and then filled it up, and it's just a regular water balloon. And I did about 6 of these, I don't know, about an hour and a half ago, and I want to see how fast they freeze, because when it's this cold, so like water freezes at 32 degrees. And like the mountains that you guys live by, if you go up in the mountains, you know, there's snow, and it'll snow at about 32 degrees. And on the coldest day up there, and I used to work up there, it gets about 10 degrees. 10 degrees is cold. I mean, it's really cold. It was not 10, not 0, not -10, but -27 degrees. And it's like things freeze instantly. And so if you go into your freezer, you know, you have ice cubes and maybe ice cream and stuff like that. Your freezer is about 0 degrees, okay? And that's cold, and that's why you put things in the freezer. We're going outside where it's -14 degrees right now. It's colder outside, just outside. I live in Chicago. Your mom or your dad can tell you where that, can show you where that is. It's colder outside in my backyard than it is inside your freezer. So I'm gonna try and do this, but man, it's hard to imagine going and standing in your freezer for a half hour, and then imagine it's even colder. It's like twice as cold. So we'll see what happens. And by the way, if I look like I just got out of bed, I kind of did just I got out of bed about a half hour ago, and I had to start boiling water. So we'll see how this goes. I'm gonna do a couple other things, and I'll show you when we get out there. Oh, and by the way, one of the best things you can do when it's cold is not wear jeans with holes in them. But this is the only clean pair of jeans I have, so I'm gonna have to make do. All right, I'm gonna send another video once I'm outside.